Shocking. I was excited when people sign in on time to Zoom. Sorry, it's taking a while for us to go up here. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I really appreciate that. Now it says preparing your session. Okay. I'll see if I can find this case.
Better that than the other way, I guess.
Oh, gosh, yeah. Oh, we are finally where I need to be.
Yeah, that's funny. That's awesome.
So how was your trip?
Oh, it was outstanding. I'll have to show you some of the pictures and photos later. The weather cooperated thing.
Oh, that is awesome.
Super hot.
All right, so on this case, where are we on discovery? And I know because of the sensitive matter, it's not going to be available by normal means, so.
Correct. Judge, I believe all the reports, everything on Bearpick that can be viewable by defense is there. Of course, because of the nature of the charge, there are some things we can't put up there. I'd be happy, if defense does want to come in. We have a room set up where they can view those images to kind of check that box if need be.
Okay, all right, so has an offer been tendered?
There has not. We've talked a little bit about framework, and that's something I'm going to go ahead and start. I'll
All right,
get an approved
please
offer.
whisper. Yes.
Yes, I'll get an approved offer and convey that to defense.
All right, so when will you anticipate having an approved offer?
I know my chief is busy today, but probably my hope is by the end of the week, if not then early next week.
All right, and how old are you?
23. Yeah, just to go back to discovery briefly, there is a video that has to do with the SSM search that I know the state has it. I think they suggested it's been downloaded. Neither one of us have looked at it yet. That's the biggest issue that we've been talking about from the beginning. Once we sort that out, then yes, we can talk about this issue.
All right, so when is that going to be sorted out? When will he have that to view?
I'm in trial again, so not today, soon.
All right, so where are you in trial? Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you going to be asking for a motion to suppress or what?
At this point, that's premature, Judge. Apparently there's a consent for questions in the manner in which it's signed, what is told, if it's on video, did they record it? I do have the actual document, the state has provided that to me. So it's not overly complicated. I think it's a matter of looking at the video.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date and potentially a motion to suppress the week of July 28th. July 28th?
28th. Okay.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
Are you all ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is Criminal Trial Division. It's a motion to revoke. All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 11289, State versus Jorge Sandoval. Can I have parties announce?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Robert Robach for Adaman. For Sandoval.
And are you Mr. Jorge Sandoval?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and State's Motion to Supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Judge.
Are you the same Jorge Sandoval who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 11289 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on January 30th, 2024 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Judge.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 12th day of November 2024 in Medina County, Texas. The defendant Jorge Sandoval committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with a vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the waiver?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 5 years in the prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it is to revoke the individual offers probation and to reform the underlying sentence to 2 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
All right, thank you. And are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, has he done anything on probation? Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jorge Sandoval,
All right, have you done anything on probation?
I completed the Saturday, I completed the aftercare program. My UAs were clean. Reason I wasn't reporting because I was incarcerated for 6 months.
Mhm.
And I got extradited here for the MTR.
Well, I mean, that doesn't have anything to do with the evading arrest, detention in a vehicle. So at some point you were not incarcerated, you were evading the police in a vehicle. So other than going to SADF, which if the court ordered you in an inpatient treatment, you had no choice. So you're a captive audience at SADF. So other than SADF, did you do anything else?
Work?
Probation?
Judge, Mr. Sandoval completed the SATA inpatient treatment. However, the aftercare was, there was the violation of program. He did complete the intensive outpatient treatment. And out of the 100 hours of community service, he has a balance of 23 hours.
All right, so what was the issue with the aftercare with SADF?
I'll have to look in his file, more extensively, just give me one.
What was the issue with your aftercare and SADF?
Actually, with the community service, I completed all of it.
No, I'm talking about SADF. You had to go in inpatient for drug treatment. Then they have an aftercare program. So my question is, with the aftercare program, why did you not successfully complete that?
Oh, I finished it
No, the report from probation is there was an issue with aftercare.
because I got incarcerated and that's why I couldn't report no more.
Okay. And what were you incarcerated for?
For
This, the evading?
Yes, ma'am.
So you didn't successfully complete aftercare because you
I
picked
did
up new
successfully.
charges. Why are you picking up new charges? I don't understand.
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
Judge, he has been in for over 245 days. No, it's 580 days.
The violation of the new event was why he was exited from after.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, and the court will request the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but they are there to hopefully help you become a better citizen and to help you maintain your sobriety. When you're released from prison, if for some reason you can't find a place to go that can help you maintain your sobriety, if you come back here, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody. You understand? To help you. Did you?
What do you mean, like, place of sobriety?
To help you maintain your sobriety, because obviously you still have drug issues.
Well, I'm planning on leaving the state.
Oh, okay then. Well, somebody there will probably be able to help you. And I wish you the best whatever state you choose to live in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. And that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and I'll give you credit for any successful completion. of inpatient treatment. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, and I don't think, we're off the record, I don't believe any of the new number ones are here in Bear County, is that correct?
No, Your Honor.
They're all Medina?
They're all.
So you'll have to see about those cases if you have not taken care of them there.
Yes, correct.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Boyd.
Good morning. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I appreciate that.
Well,
All right, so on this case, where are we?
Judge, I've come into some new information. So
Mhm.
we're gonna ask for a reset for a discovery setting.
Okay,
And the state is gonna talk to some witnesses, I would hope. And we'll all get on the same page at that point.
all right,
so-
so what is the discovery
Uh,
that's missing or outstanding?
it's not it's witnesses, how compliant they're gonna be
Okay,
for the state.
all right, how long is this gonna take?
Your Honor, 30 days?
That'd be fine, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this the week of July 7th?
That's fine.
All right, we're gonna come back on July 7th. That will be the last discovery date.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank
Judge.
you. Yes, you're welcome.
phone. I have a ready motion on file because we believe there's exculpatory evidence in his phone. But we can't get to it because they want to do a phone dump, so we've been patiently waiting and he can't get out on bond.
All right,
It's now been weeks and apparently the phone dump hasn't happened yet. So I think we're gonna try and coordinate where they're gonna give me access to it, so they don't have to keep waiting. I can show them the evidence I think that would help us resolve the case.
And then, Your Honor, Ray is absolutely right. What we're planning on doing is having an appointment we can set up within the next week or two. And then we can go with counsel to the phone, and then they'll have no problem getting in and collecting any potentially exculpatory evidence in real time. And it should help assuage any discovery issues we may
when
have.
is this gonna happen?
We're very anxious to do it, Judge, so if somebody's available from their office, wherever it may be, I will make myself or Victoria available the next week or two to get over there and do it.
At most, Judge, maybe 2 to 3 weeks.
Now, we tell. We've got under 3 months, Judge, and they had the phone since he's been in custody.
All right, I can set you for June, be back in court on June 16th, so that will mean you all will have to have it done by next week.
I'll hustle, Judge.
I just think it might be potentially a little bit difficult. Of course, I'm filling in for the court, and I know that half of the team, will be doing other things. If potentially we could just have it for the week after, even if it's the Monday of the week after.
With this case.
Okay, Judge.
So it can be, let me see. At the latest, I can put it on June 17th.
Okay, Judge. We appreciate it, and we will work with counsel to get that appointment scheduled.
All right, Norma, June 17th.